Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I wanted to give you some more information about this PRUNUS J-361 emergency radio. Now, one of the things I didn't mention, but it was in the picture, was it comes with this USB cable. And this cable is used to charge the internal battery, and it's used to use the internal battery to charge like your cell phone. So it comes with this. It's a little short, but it's adequate. Also, it comes with a manual, which provides all the information you need, and it's large enough print that even I can read it without using a magnifying glass. The other thing is, I went to the trouble of, let me get this crank handle, of taking these two screws out. It was not easy. They're tiny screws, so I had to use a tiny screwdriver with a pair of pliers to get them out because my hands are kind of weak. I wanted to show you the battery compartment. Oh, stand by. I'll have to get a screwdriver to pry it open. Here we go. Sorry for the delay. I'm never prepared. I thought I could get this open with my fingernail. There we go. Gee whiz. Okay. There's the 18650 battery it comes with. And it's 2500 milliamp hours. Whoa, that's a pretty good battery. And then if you want to use AA batteries, you put them right there. Okay. I did get a request to show the connectors closer. Again, I don't know, the camera's kilo camera. There you go. TF card, USB card, earphone jack, charging port with an LED to show you the charge status. It's red when charging, green when it's fully charged. Okay. I'm trying to remember if there are any other questions. I think that's about it. Just have a carrying strap, which is, guess what? That is not easily removable. You're going to have to destroy that if you want to take it off and cut it. Yeah, I don't see any way of getting that off. Yeah, unfortunately, you'd have to cut it off, which I don't like carrying straps, so, but I'll leave it on there. That's about it. To me, this is a great emergency radio at a great price. So you ought to get you one, and since it's holidays, get some for gifts. Yeah, it'd make a great gift for an emergency radio. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.